Children, good morning to everyone. Today I am going to start the exercise that is 3.3. First question, what is it? Use the bar graph to answer the following questions. That means in this exercise you are going to deal with the graph, that is bar graph, and by seeing the bar graph you have to answer the following questions, and then in some questions you have to draw the bar graph. Okay, in first question you have to see the bar graph and you have to answer the given questions. That is first one, which is the most popular pet, and then second one, how many students have dog as a pet. Here they have given one bar graph. Here this you all know that one, this one is the x-axis and this one is the y-axis, isn't it? In the x-axis they have shown that the pet animals like dogs, cats, rabbits, hamsters, and then others. And then here the number of students, how many who are having the pets as these animals. Okay, and then what they have given, asked the question, which is the most popular pet. Here see the dogs, how many children they have the pet as dog, that is 8 members, cat 10 members, rabbit 2, hamsters 4, and then others 2. Okay, now they have asked which is the most popular pet. That means how many children have the animal as a pet more. Okay, what is the highest quantity of students having the most popular pet? That is, by seeing this graph you come to know that is cat, because how many students having the cat as a pet? That is 10 members, isn't it? Which is the most popular pet? That is, I will write here just the answer. Please keep open your textbook while seeing this video. Which is the most popular pet? Cat is the most popular pet. I think you understood this one. And then how many students have dog as a pet? See the graph and see how many students have a dog as a pet. That is 8 members. Just you write here 8 students have dog as a pet. Understood? Next, the second question, read the bar graph in the figure 3.4, which shows the number of books sold by a bookstore, and then during 5 consecutive years, and answer the following questions. That here they have given the number of books that is sold by a bookseller, and then here the years. Okay, in the x-axis they have given years, and then in the y-axis they have given number of books sold in the bookstore. That is, in 1989 how many books sold? 1990, 1991, 1992, and then 1993. Okay, first question, what they have asked about how many books were sold in 1989, 1990, 1992. Here we have to write down how many books were sold. That is, in 1989. See the graph, that here 0, 100, 200. That means 1 unit that indicates 100 books, isn't it? Here from here to here 100, here to here 100. That means this 1989 is almost, it is at the 3/4 part. Okay, that means 175 books were sold in 1989. Just you write here 175 books sold in the year 1989. Okay, next, the second one, 1990, how many books? See that one, 475. This one is also up to 3/4, that is 475 books sold in the year 1990. Understood? And then in 1992, see the graph, and then see here this one is the 1992, and then this one it is above 200. That is above 200. It is almost near to 1/4. That is 225. 225 books sold in the year 1992. Okay, what is the second question? That is, in which year were about 475 books sold? About 225 books sold. In which year 475 books sold? See the graph, that is 1990. And then 225, see the graph, that is 1992. Just right here, 475 books sold in 1990, and then 225 books sold in 1992. Okay, then what is the third question? In which years were fewer than 250 books sold? That is less than 250 books. See here, 250 books less than 250 means 1989, and then 1992. Okay, just you write the answer as third one. In the years 1989 and 1992, the number of books sold were less than 250. Okay, next, fourth question. Can you explain how you would estimate the number of books sold in 1989? That is, in 1989 we will say that the books sold is 175. That means we have to show how we are going to estimate it. Okay, I will show you the number of books sold in the year 1989 is about 1 3/4 part of 1 centimeter. That is, I explained you before itself, that is the almost what they have given, it is up to 3/4 part. Okay, in first in 1989 also it is of 1 3/4 part, and then in 1990 it is 4 3/4 part, and then here 1991 that is 2 3/4 part, and 1992 it is 2 1/4 part. Okay, like that if we have concluded that how many books were sold. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 books. That means 100 plus 3/4 into 100. 4 ones are 425s are. Understood? 100 plus 3 into 25 is equal to 100 plus 75, which is equal to 175. Understood? This one is your second problem, and then I will explain you fourth problem in my next class, and then please do third problem as your homework. Okay, thank you children.